7 psychological tricks that really work well, and how to do them. Trick 1. Make someone like you or dislike you less. If you have a feeling that someone you spend a good amount of time around dislikes you, there's a way to reverse that. The trick is to ask for something very, very small. It has to be something that wouldn't make sense for anyone to say no to. For example, you might ask to borrow a pencil or a pen from the person in question. Other small favors you can ask for include borrowing any kind of small, trivial item, asking for the time or date. Why does this work so well? It's simple. Although this person doesn't like you, they realize that saying no to something so small would make them look like a bad person. Plus, small favors, in general, are difficult for most people to say no to. Ask for a similar favor every now and then, not often, and the person's subconscious will realize that if they are helping you, you must not be that bad. Trick 2. Getting information. If you have a friend that struggles to open up to you, tell you how they're feeling, or even give you simple information, ask them a question, and if they respond partially, or it feels like they're hiding something, simply keep eye contact and remain silent for a few seconds. The silence combined with eye contact will make them uncomfortable. They'll do anything to break this tension, even if that means giving you the information they were holding back. Trick 3. The stalker detector. Do you ever get that feeling like somebody's eyes are on you, and they're intently watching you? Maybe you can feel somebody's stare on the back of your head. Make sure they can see you when you yawn. After you yawn, turn and look at them. If they're now yawning, you know that they were watching you. This is because yawning is contagious. This is a great trick for anybody who wants to find out. Trick 4. Trust my raw. If you want to build people's trust more quickly, this can be a very effective way of doing so. When you're striking up a conversation with them, try mirroring their body language. Don't do this in an incredibly obvious way. Otherwise, it'll probably put them off more than anything else. However, subtly mirroring people's body language subconsciously makes them think you're in sync, which works very well for building trust. Trick 5. If you want someone to agree to your request, try the door in the face dip technique. First, ask for something much bigger or more difficult than what you really want, knowing they'll say no. Then, ask for the smaller thing you originally wanted. They're more likely to agree because it feels like you've made a compromise, and they feel pressure to return the favor. Trick 6. If you notice someone losing focus or want to keep their attention, try using their name. Hearing our own name triggers a cocktail party effect, which makes us tune into what's being said. Salespeople often use this trick to keep people engaged. When you use someone's name, they'll pay more attention and feel more connected to the conversation, even if they don't realize why. Trick 7. If you want to convince someone of something, try using repetition bias. The more you repeat a statement, even if it's untrue, the more likely people are to believe it. This is called the illusory truth effect. By repeating your point often enough, you can make it seem more believable, even if they have access to the facts. So, when trying to persuade someone, keep repeating your message until it sticks. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and tap that notification bell so you never miss an upload.